All right, now I'm going to fly the Eagle. This is the large Eagle with the 2200 milliamp hour battery, and we're ready to fly, right, Laura?
Right.
Okay.
Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
I'm gonna try to chase you.
You are?
Yeah.
All right. I'll just get into the circle here. Got a mini quad supposed to be coming up to chase me around. I just have to hope no hawks come around. Mini quad is off. This is where it gets a little tricky because I got to keep it level and flying as slow as possible so the mini quad can find it. Oh, that was close. Yeah, he's got a bead on it. Sorry, making the circles a little too tight there, but the wind's pushing me around a little bit. There's a pretty good. Yeah, I kept it pretty straight that time. I'm going to see if I can go downwind here. Well, that's going with the wind, so it's going kind of fast. Now, when I turn around, it should slow right down. There you go. That should be really slow. Whoa! Tickle me feathers. All right. It's going back towards the building. Towards the garage. All right. No prob, it's only foam. And I got all the videos on how to build it. Link in the description. Okay. Oh yeah. So Jesse's got a bead on it. That's Jesse Mellon. You can go to his channel on YouTube, Jesse Mellon. Also link in the description. All right. I'll just stay up here and look for mice. We're just going along here. Sun's going down now. It's going to make it harder for you to see me. Yeah, sometimes the lighting is more important than anything when you're filming. Some people think that if the sun's right overhead, that's the best time, but it really isn't. It's better either in the morning when the sun's low or in the evening when the sun's low. It makes for the most pretty shots.
What's the nominal voltage of a 4S?
Oh, it's 16.8, I think. Oh, when it's fully charged, nominal.
Fully charged,
Yeah.
What, I don't know when I need to land.
16.8.
I'm 16.8 taking off.
All right. Oh yeah, you mean how low can you go?
Yeah.
Oh, down to about 14.8, somewhere in that area. Of course, with the quad, you're sucking a lot more current, so you might want to quit around 15. Let's see, 4 times, let's see, 3.7 times, whatever 3.7 times 4 is. So we know that's going to be 12 plus another 2.8. Yeah, 14.8. Yep, that's the low as you want to go. I mean, you could go lower, but it wouldn't be good for the battery. Woo! A little bit of breeze there. Yeah, there's one to my left. Okay, I guess I'm going to start getting ready to land. I'm trying to land. That means a slow descent in small circles. That makes for good flybys. Okay, I got the motor off now, and poof, there it is. Fetching.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
You got the radio too close and it says telemetry lost. Figure that out.
Radio too close to what?
If you get the radio too close to the plane, it'll say telemetry lost. Seems silly, doesn't it? Because you think the closer you are, the more signal you'd have. Marco Polo. Whew. Oh my. All right, got all that done. Turn off the radio. Turn off the hat cam.